Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI image maker on the designs.ai website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the designs.ai website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, as you can see, you will be able to see the AI image maker here. So we have to open this in a new link. I'm going to open this in a new window. So let's go to this link. So as you can see, after opening this, what we have to do, we have to choose the ratio of the picture size. For example, I'm going to choose the 16.9. And now we have to provide the description here that which type of image you want to create. For example, I want to create a picture. As you can see, I have used this simple prompt here. Now you have to choose the idea type, for example, like the film type or the enhance. For example, I'm going to choose like this one. And now simply you have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, we have to accept this and I understand. And after clicking on this, as you can see, it will take few seconds or few minutes in generating our image. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. Now we have to wait for a few seconds until it generate. So as you can see, now the result is here. The car is here, the money is here under the car, and the nature is also provided here. So in this way, you can create your AI images through designs.ai website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. If you want to change a background, you can also do that. You have to click on the change background. And after that, if you want to download this, you can also do that. You have to click on the download. Simply, you just have to click on the download and the image will be downloaded. So in this way, you can use the AI image maker. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.